Hi guys, we're in the Theme at Workshop today, and today it's all about pets. So what we're doing today is we're going to be building some cabinets for pets. To be more specific, it's for cats. Now, my daughter loves cats, so what we're building is some cabinets for her cats. Now it sounds a little crazy, but these cabinets actually will have litter boxes inside of them. And the cats will have access inside and out of the cabinet, but inside the cabinet the litter trays will sit and no one can see them. So it makes a nice piece of furniture, plus it makes it useful for the cats. So we're going to be doing a little bit of staining. I got a little bit of wood we're going to be using. I got some melamine. I want to use melamine because melamine you can clean. And if there's an accident, say on the cabinet or inside the cabinet, you can clean it with some detergent and it won't wreck the material. So it's going to be really nice. It's going to be really cool. And she's been looking forward to this. This is actually a Christmas present, and hopefully I can surprise her before Christmas. Here are the litter box trays that we're using inside the cabinets. You can see they come apart. You can put inside, these are a little dusty, I apologize, but this is where the litter goes. And what we had to do is we had to measure everything out to accommodate the size of the trays to the size of the cabinets. Not too many people have 4 cats. If you have 1 or 2, maybe you only need, say, the bottom part, but 4, that's a lot of poop, so we're gonna make sure they have a lot of places to go. You can see how this is going to look. We put the trays in and I put some spacers in here. So the little kitty goes through here and then he goes up inside there, does his little business, and then comes back out when he's done. Okay, we CNC'd out these little gables, and I have a hole here that I CNC'd out, and this is for the cat to go through. And they go actually right up into here. And it will support, it'll help support the door, because there's going to be 2 doors and 2 doors so that this stays concealed. So what I need to do is, because this is paint grade MDF, I'm going to paint it black so it matches the cabinet. So that's going to be the next thing we need to do, is to paint this before we install it. Make it way easier than trying to paint it while it's in there. And we're also going to be painting these little silhouettes of kitties. And these will be installed on the cherry doors. Looks happy. Okay, let's get painting. Now we're going to be doing the stain. I've already started. It's turning out really nice. It's a water-based purpley kind of stain. I chose a purple because that's one of Kaylee's favorite colors. And with the black, it'll pop really nice. I know it's cherry wood, and I was gonna go with more of a red because cherry kind of screams red. And I put the red on, and it did look really nice against the black. And then I did the purple. And I thought, no, I think the purple is where it's at. Okay, so what I did was I made some extra strip pieces and I'm going to tack them onto the inside. I'm just going to use a small nail and just to hold it, and then I'm going to put in a screw to hold it better when these are for attaching the hinges to. Without these you can't attach the hinges to it, and then you can't have your hidden hinges and your full overlay hinges in there. So this is what I had done to alleviate that, and then I get a whole melamine finish. Right, I've created the doors. Here's a nice shot of it here. I've edge taped everything. I put a little bit of an angle on there so you can grab it and open it. I like not having a handle on it. I seen one without and it looked really nice, so I thought I'd go with the same sort of design. And now I'm going to cut the holes for the European hinges. So I got a special jig that I use to cut the holes with, so that they're all perfect depth and size. Okay, we get to do the assembly now. I went ahead and I clear coated all the stained pieces, and now we're just putting things together. And I made them a little bit smaller just so we could see more black. These are really small nails. It's better to use small nails if you can. I don't want to use big ones. And we can push on it too, just so that it sticks, so we know it's going to stick. And here we are. We have the cabinet all complete. I went ahead and put the doors on, and I cleaned everything up. And I'm quite happy the way it turned out. We'll give you a bit of a tour. Our little kitty cat paws. I CNC'd those on the side of the cabinet. A little bit of molding on the top. When we look inside, we have a little mat. There's a little opening for the kitty. I'll open up the door, maybe set some light in there. See the opening. And there are the doors. Turned out quite nice. I really like the color of the stain. Kitty can take a poop. I think if I was a kitty, I'd be very happy to go in there. And there's the top one. Keep in mind this is for 4 cats, so that's why it's double-decker. All right, we did an awesome job on this. Thanks for joining me in building this. I hope Kaylee's gonna love it. I hope the cats like it. If the cats don't like it, we're in trouble. So hopefully they will enjoy it. And if you are a carpenter, love yourself. Why? Because Jesus was a carpenter and so was Harrison Ford. So remember, don't just build it, theme it. See you on the next one, guys.
Theme it, like and subscribe. You don't want to miss an episode. Do it now.
Wait, I can open it?
You can unwrap
I can open it? Oh my god. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I was hoping this was what it was, and thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh my god. It's so cool. Oh,
Put little prints in there.
oh my god, it's so cute.
The pins are in the van. I'll go grab them.
Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's perfect. Now Peaches won't get litter everywhere. Oh, there we go.
Peachy likes it.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, right away.
Peachy's gotta unload.
She's gonna put her front paws in it and start pooping.
It's kitty approved.
Nope, she's going in. Nice. Yeah, she always puts her front paws in usually, and then just poops outside. Because I don't think there's enough space for her because she's so big. So now, yeah, especially with like that, there's lots of space. Hi, Toes.
Oh yeah, she's squatting.
Oh yeah, she's going. We'll give her privacy.
Well, it's christened now.
Yeah.
Kitty approved. Hey, Beaner. A nice, pleasant place to have a poop. What everybody likes.